How to convert USDT to Bitcoin on Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to convert USDT to BTC on Bybit app. After you open the Bybit app like this now go to trade. After you come to trade, go to convert at the top left side. Under the convert, so from this option, now tap on this option now to select the USDT. So go and search for USDT. Here is it now. Now the second button, tap on this option now and select BTC. After you open the section, go and search for BTC, that's Bitcoin, and select it. Here is it. So from this option, now type in the amount of the USDT you want to convert to BTC in this option. Let's say I want to convert 200 USDT into BTC. So just tap on this cut button. After you tap on this cut, it will give you convert button. From there, now you convert your USDT into Bitcoin. And that's it, guys.